Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start Current Affairs Capsule, Daily Current Affairs, October, Day 27. Recently, National Science Center has opened its first coal gallery in which city? हाल ही में नेशनल साइंस सेंटर ने अपने पहले कोल गैलरी किस शहर में खोला? सो नेम ऑफ द सिटी इज न्यू दिल्ली. The National Science Center in New Delhi opened its first coal gallery, that is Black Diamond. The gallery was inaugurated by Union Culture and Tourism Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and Minister of State for Coal and Mines Satish Chandra Dubey. Okay, so National Science Center has opened its first coal gallery in New Delhi. India's first memorial for unsung heroes of military intelligence, that is Satark Park, was unveiled in which of the following city? So Satark Park, India's first memorial for unsung heroes of military intelligence, किस शहर में अनावरण किया गया? So सतर्क पार्क ये खोला गया पुणे में. Okay, and the Indian Army has inaugurated its first memorial Satark Park in Pune, Maharashtra, and it dedicated to the honoring military intelligence personnel who lost their life in service. Okay, so सतर्क पार्क का अनावरण किया गया पुणे में. Who has recently become the fourth Indian to score 9,000 टेस्ट रन? So 9,000 टेस्ट रन बनाने के लिए हाल ही में चौथे भारतीय कौन बन गए? So name of the player is विराट कोहली. Okay, and Indian batsman Virat Kohli has become the fourth Indian batsman to reach 9,000 test run in ongoing match against New Zealand. Okay, and at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, that is located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. And Virat Kohli, fourth Indian batsman to achieve this after Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, and Sunil Gavaskar. Okay, so now Virat Kohli become the fourth Indian to score 9,000 test run. As per the information, who is said to become the 51st Chief Justice of India? हाल ही में जानकारी के अनुसार 51st Chief Justice कौन बनेगा? So name of the person is Sanjeev Khanna. Okay, and Justice Sanjeev Khanna is said to become the 51st Chief Justice of India following the recommendation by the current Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud in a letter to the Union Law Ministry. Okay, so Sanjeev Khanna is said to become the 51st Chief Justice of India. The first defense minister meeting of G7 countries was hosted in which country? So G7 country के first defense minister meeting किस देश में आयोजित हुआ? So name of the country is Italy. For the first time in the group of 7, that is G7 history, the defense minister of the G7 countries met in Italy on 19 October 2024. Okay, so name of the country is Italy. Yars missile, which was seen in the news, is developed by which country? Yars missile को कौन से country ने develop किया? So name of the country is Russia. Okay, and Russia is testing the combat readiness of a Yars intercontinental ballistic missile unit, and it tested in northwest of Moscow. Okay, and so name of the country is Russia, and recently developed Yars missile. Recently, who has been roped as brand ambassador of the Garuda Aerospace? सो हाल ही में गरुड़ा एरोस्पेस के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर के रूप में किसे चुना गया? सो नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज MS धोनी. ओके, एंड फॉर्मर इंडियन कैप्टन MS धोनी हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ चेन्नई बेस्ड गरुड़ा एरोस्पेस. एंड द विजन ऑफ द गरुड़ा एरोस्पेस इज टू मेक इंडिया ए ड्रोन हब बाय 2030. ओके, सो MS धोनी हैज बीन roped as brand ambassador of the Garuda Aerospace. Recently, where was the National Conference on Rights of Older Person organized? हाल ही में किस स्थान पर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन द राइट्स ऑफ ओल्डर पर्सन ये आयोजित किया गया? सो नेम ऑफ द प्लेस इज न्यू दिल्ली. द नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन, दैट इज NHRC, organized a function and national conference on the rights of older person for its 31st foundation day at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Okay, at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. And National Human Rights Commission, that is NHRC, was established in 12 October 1993. Okay, so National Conference on Rights of Older Person is organized in New Delhi. Who is supporting the SWIFT project of the Assam government? So Assam government के SWIFT project को किस organization support कर रहा है? So name of the organization is ADB. Okay, Asian Developmental Bank. Assam has launched the Sustainable Wetland and Integrated Fisheries Transformation, that is SWIFT SWIFT project to revitalize 129 bills and boost indigenous fish production. The state government's SWIFT project is funded and supported by ADB, Asian Developmental Bank. Okay. नाउ इट इज अ क्विज क्वेश्चन. इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. जिसका आंसर करेक्ट होगा उसके आंसर के पास मैं एक हार्ट साइन दे दूंगा. रिसेंटली इंडिया हैज रिफ्यूज टू ज्वाइन व्हिच कंट्रीज वन बेल्ट वन रोड प्रोजेक्ट. हाल ही में भारत किस देश के वन बेल्ट वन रोड परियोजना में शामिल होने से इनकार कर दिया? दिस आर द ऑप्शन: ईरान, पाकिस्तान, चाइना एंड यूक्रेन. इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब Science Express. Thank you.